The clean, fresh aroma of this essential oil promotes vitality and energy, while topical application helps to invigorate your senses. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about Cypress essential oil from doTERRA. The benefits are that it promotes vitality and energy, improves the appearance of oily skin, and supports your respiratory system. The directions and common uses include diffusing 3 drops of cypress with 3 drops of lime oil in a 4-hour diffuser for an invigorating scent. You can also rub 1 to 2 drops with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil on your legs after a run or a long day of standing. And then lastly, you can add 1 to 2 drops to your toner for your skin in the morning and at night. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.